Hey there, my sweet friends. Happy Monday morning to you. I hope that you had a delightful weekend and you're ready for a new week. It's, Monday always beckons to us to, maybe set up some boundaries, some perimeters, some focus on some me time for you. A lot of us are, we're maxed out on the obligations right this minute. So in a time of change or stress, we're obliged to keep a smile on our face and a perk in our voice and a happy in our heart. And sometimes even that can get super overwhelming. So my friends, carve out just a little bit of time. I just finished a 12-minute yoga meditation, yoga with Adriene. I will link that in the description box below. Very powerful, very easy. Anybody can do it. Remember, if you can't get on the floor, it's okie dokie. Sit and do what you can. Just listen to her voice. It's very soothing. Okay, we have 3 new Galaxy journals to go in the shop today. These are Gluebook, mini books, dream journals, get fit journals, journal it out journals, anything that you want to use them for. Perfect kind of for glue books, or maybe you just want to start that art journal journey and it's like, I don't know where to start. That's a really common sort of place to be. I don't know where to start. A small book is really conducive to helping you work in a space that is manageable. So, you aren't doing a 12 by 12 canvas. You're doing a small work in small books, small pages, small focused energy, micro energy into books like this. So let's take a look and then let's just kind of talk about, these books came together, you guys, because I am searching for something that I can mail from home. And these are like the perfect little thing to put in like a 9 by 12 or a 5 by 7 envelope, and I can mail them from my house. So let's just take a look. We tend to go through here and kind of title these. And this, you can use it either way. You can flip it like this or flip it like this. I kind of like that side. To me, this really speaks of kind of Milky Way. So I believe that is what we are going to call this one. Milky Way. And that helps me define these books. It also might give you an idea of how to develop the book. We think of Milky Way, we think of galaxies far, far away. We think of the galaxies that are close to us. A galaxy these days, your whole world is encompassed in your house. So, I'm sorry, it does go this way because I had some things in here that were upside down. Duh. We have Pluto right here, the Kuiper Belt, just a few things, a little notepad for you. So our whole galaxy is actually comprised within our 4 walls and a roof, isn't it? This is where we go to school. This is where we go to work. This is where we go to art class. This is where we go to yoga class. This is where we go to the gym. This is where we go to the restaurant. This is where we go shopping. So your galaxy, your universe is actually comprised in 4 walls and a roof, as Maggie would say on The Walking Dead. This is a beautiful little outlay of our solar system here. Isn't that sweet? And we've got all kinds of paper for you to play with. Each of these books comes with a mini book. So your mini book is going to look something like this. These two go together. Going to put them right here. So in addition to and I think this is a 4, hold on a minute, I'm going to measure this. Yes, this is 4 by 6, y'all. This would slip into another journal. You could just slip it right under the string of a a traveler's notebook or whatever journal that you are using. So it is actually a journal insert as well. Each of these comes with a little delightful envelope full of things for you to work with. Now each envelope is different. You'll have different things to work with. This little package goes together like this, and then we have a couple more envelopes like this. Let me show you the rest of these, and we'll put this one aside. This is our Milky Way. Galaxy theme, thinking about our world and the worlds beyond. That'd be a nice theme for this one. Let's call this World Beyond. We can think about worlds beyond as a lot of different things, right? We can think of it as we naturally travel from physical shoes into non-physical shoes. That's a different sort of world beyond. We were traveling to other countries. That's definitely like going into a world beyond. We can go to worlds beyond in our imagination. We can travel places just by watching things on TV. Chris and I watched the movie The Dig, and I got to tell you, I was just very entranced by it. I love Carey Mulligan, and she was one of the stars in it. I thought it was just really well done. I just found it delightful. And it kind of got me out of myself for, an hour and a half or however long that movie was. And it was to me, things like that are super helpful just to kind of get you out of yourself and get you, motivated into, exploring those worlds beyond. And my goodness, there's an awful lot to explore as you get into the definitions and the parameters and the boundaries of exploration and what that means and the ways to explore, not just physically, but mentally, psychologically, spiritually, metaphysically, just all kinds of ways to explore. All right, this is the next one. I've put things in here. I got to make sure I've got it right side up. Yeah, I think that's right side up. Lots of pretty things to play with, my dear friends. Okay, I think we'll call this one Galaxy Quest. There was a movie called Galaxy Quest. I don't exactly remember it, but I do remember Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy is one of my very, very, very favorite movies. I love them all. Such rich characters in Guardians of the Galaxy. You can see that pop of gold here is just very intriguing. Very, very pretty. I have some painty papers in here. I have some little fold-out elements. Like I said, a small space. Especially if you're just starting. I should have gone this way. Especially if you're just starting out and you don't know what to do. I'm offering just a wee bit of advice here, my dear friends. Don't think you got to buy everything in the whole wide world to get started on your journaling journey. You don't. Pull things from things you have at home. You can easily make one of these books with what you have on hand. But if you just kind of, the fun thing about these is they're small, they're easy to work with, and you get this sweet little packet of things to play with, okay? I'm not even going to pull that one open. You saw kind of what was in there. So you'll get images, words, you may have some fibers, you may have some buttons. This is just kind of anything goes, and I just put whatever in there. Whatever I have like on my desk is how I build these ephemera envelopes for you guys. So there we go, my dear friends. I hope that you like these. Going to the post office is becoming just a very, I don't want to say it's not an ordeal. It's just one of those, another thing that you have to do on the days that you get out and run errands. And, you know, I'm trying to be very cautious of my health. I have a son that is not in good health. And I always try and stay very healthy in case I need to go and help, you know, help with him or help his wife or whatever. I just feel like it's really important to stay healthy. So that's why I developed these little books. And I really do hope you enjoy them. The first batch just like flew off the shelf super quick. And I'm hoping that, that these do as well. The whole little package here is $15 and it's free postage, so you don't pay for postage. $15 to get started on the quest, galaxy quest, of putting together your very own journal. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Take care of yourselves. I've put the link to the Etsy store below. I should have these in the store in about an hour or so. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. See you soon. Bye.